Popping his hand, I'm going insane. She pulling up, she give me brains. I swear to God, I need the cash. I really don't care about none of the fame. She touched me since.
What's up YouTube, Flagstaff AV, another video. Hope you guys are having a great day, and I also hope you guys enjoyed your Christmas. And today we're gonna be doing a unboxing and review of the Christmas models that I got. So yeah, let's get into it. First, let's start off with the Taiwanese one. Get this little angled. At the top, it just says Boeing 737-800, computer generated image of the model. Taipei 101 building. If you're not too familiar with that, it's one of the tallest buildings in the world in Taipei. NG Models logo. Side views. And the back view. So yeah, pretty much just says NG logo 1 of 400 and the registration 3701. So yeah, let's get into the model. There it is. All right, and while I put the box away, I'll put the Flight Trader effects right here for you guys. All right, so to start off with the model, we just have the nose cone detailed right there. At the top of the nose cone is detailed in black. Cockpit windows, the registration 3701, L1 door. As you can see, windows aligned all the way. Double overwing exit, landing lights, Wi-Fi dome, engine, little Taiwanese flag right there, wing light, rear navigation light. And then as we go to the back, it says Boeing 737-800 right there. And of course we have the tail, it just has the Taiwanese flag and also the registration again. If we move along to the back side, you can see the overwing exit patterns along with the APU. And on the right side is pretty much the same, except that we have landing lights again, green navigation light, and cargo luggage doors at the front and in the back. Here's the front view. Bird's eye view. And the bottom view. So yeah, another great model by NG. I'd recommend it if you can still get it. I believe you can, if you just want to have some variety, I guess, in your airport. So yeah, now let's get into the JetBlue one. So right at the top of the box, it just says Airbus A321neo. And it has, like, I don't know how you call it, clouds as the tail on the Neo for the JetBlue. JetBlue, oh, there's the computer generated image of the model. JetBlue logo, NG logo, and the registration, November 2016 Juliet. Side views. And the back view, so pretty much the same. Let's get into the model. There it is. Wow, first glance it looks really nice. I usually say that about every model, but it actually looks really good. And while I put this box away again, I'll put the Flight Trader effects right here. All right, so let's get into the model. So at the front, we just have the nose cone detailed right there, cockpit windows, and it says, I can't really tell, it says Aruba, Jamaica, Blue, I Wanna Take Ya. I think that's what it says. L1 door, Fly-Fi for JetBlue, and then the JetBlue titles along the windows, which are really nice. And then we have the engines that say JetBlue.com. No landing lights detailed right there. Double overwing exits, rear navigation light, Wi-Fi dome, and then not too sure what that is. And then we have the American flag and the registration again, and it says Airbus A321neo right there. Not too sure what this is. And then we have the beautiful tail, just like, I don't know how you call it, clouds in it with the JetBlue logo. And then back here we have the APU with the overwing exits. And then on this side, it's pretty much the same, except we have the green navigation light right here, and also the cargo luggage doors on the front and in the back. And here's the front view. Bird's eye view. And here's the bottom view. So yeah, another great model by NG. I really like this one, and also the Taiwanese one. So yeah, both great models. If you can pick them up, I'd really recommend it. And let's see the Neo compared to the normal A321 by NG. As you can see, pretty similar, but the Neo has bigger engines and also more double overwing exits. So yeah, thank you for watching, guys. Please stay tuned for more videos, and if I don't upload before New Year's, Happy New Year's. And yeah, thanks for watching.
You wanna go, I can take you there.